Welcome to the second Video On Demand newsletter. Last time we showed you the mechanics of installing Video On Demand in area schools. Today we'll see Video On Demand being used by students. Take Michael, for example.
Once I was on there and it showed me all the parts of the volcano and how the volcano works, so I like it a lot.
And why does he like volcanoes?
Well, because they're kind of hooked up to the dinosaurs.
Now I hope that you can tell that we call these tens because...
What's she doing there, Mike Q?
She's adding.
As you can see, Video On Demand clips enhance the enjoyment of learning. In the next few minutes, we'll show you 3 teachers who use Video On Demand to help their students understand math and science. At Liberty Elementary School in Alliance, teacher Kathy Kusieski believes the use of Video On Demand brings results.
I do. When I look at my scores after pre and post testing, I see that every child can get something out of it. It's another piece to the puzzle of them knowing how to do something, such as geometry right now.
On this day, the lesson is about sorting by attributes. Some activities, such as these sorting blocks, are familiar in the classroom.
I got it, look.
Okay, that would work.
Okay, just give it time.
But now, specific Video On Demand clips are part of the lesson, too.
You might want to sort them into yellow blocks and not yellow blocks.
I like 2.
You like the second one. Now, do you remember what that word is, that A word? It's a long word. It's on
addition?
It's good because you are kind of putting things together. Actually, it's attributes.
All right, I'm going to put my yellow blocks in one group, and I'm going to put my blocks that are not yellow in another group. There they are.
Students have fun learning with Video On Demand, and they do remember what the clips explain.
I like the how they put the blocks on the board and they moved them around like big and small and square, triangle and circle and all that.
But can they take a concept such as attributes and apply it to new situations? Yes. Here's how they'd categorize stars.
I know.
Kristen, you have an idea?
All the big ones go together and all the small ones go together.
We could go by how far away they were from the Earth.
Here at Westgate Elementary School in East Liverpool, teacher Teresa Todd runs Video On Demand at 2 computer workstations.
Of living things.
I think it's pretty neat because it looks like TV, except it's math and science.
Okay, I'm gonna let you guys pick what we look at first.
In this class, students can choose which clip they want to see. Some clips teach familiar concepts. Others introduce new ideas.
10 rods. What are these called?
1 rod.
I found them when they bring up a video. I have found them to say, "Oh, we studied that in science last week," or "We're learning about organisms now. Look, this is about organisms. This is about living things." They've connected it to things we've done in class.
They're heating a rod of metal.
Look at this ongoing classroom science project. Growing plants is a hands-on way to teach the needs of living things.
Water, we need sunlight, and so do they.
Carbon dioxide that moves in through the stoma.
Video On Demand clips help students understand the science behind the growing plants.
That energy is stored in our cells and might move down to the roots.
Preliminary test results have been evaluated by the University of Akron. These results confirm the use of Video On Demand clips improves student learning. Final results are expected later this calendar year.
This one is first.
Now let's move to the middle school level. Here, Video On Demand is a catalyst for student-created projects.
Okay, go ahead and give me an extreme close-up of the person next to you.
Jerry Kuzma's 8th grade students at Campbell Memorial High are producing their own video clip. The video will teach a math concept to 4th graders.
They're going to have to put some ideas into it, how they think it should be taught, so there's going to be creativity along that line, and with them actually having the storyboard, I think they will come up with some ideas and maybe see some of the problems that myself as a teacher trying to get an idea across to them, they're going to have to get the same idea across to a 4th grader.
Channels 45 and 49 taught the students methods of writing good video scripts.
90% planning and 10% actually doing the project.
When their video is done, we will make it available through Video On Demand.
I think it's pretty interesting and it's good for the little kids to hear about 8th graders like doing stuff for them, and they might enjoy it, and plus we're learning with it because we never done anything with cameras, so we're learning while we're doing that. And not only that, we're helping the 4th graders learn, but we're learning too.
There's more. After 4th graders watch the new math video, they'll continue the learning activity using web pages created by Michael Soroka's classes. Video on demand is inspiring all kinds of new ideas. And finally, channels 45 and 49 are now making video on demand clips available to more schools. Anyone in Ohio, or in the world for that matter, can now see video on demand with a high-speed internet line. Video on demand is here and it works. Thanks for watching.